The following portion of Daytime is sponsored on behalf of Denigris Vinegar, All Passion Wine and Lodge, La Gurla Wine, Om Sweet Om Brooklyn Butter by Rock Sox LLC DBA Cara's Cucina.
No holiday party is complete without delicious food and drinks to please the crowd. Joining us with recipe ideas for appetizers, desserts, and everything in between is Cara Di Falco, the host of Cara's Cucina. Welcome to Daytime. How's it going?
Hey, Farron, thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, I'm excited. Tell me about what's the best way for us to get the party started.
Absolutely. I love a super simple appetizer, and you can really elevate something like these goat cheese stuffed dates with Denigris balsamic vinegar. This is a high quality condiment. And the thing you want to look for when you're shopping for vinegar is this symbol on the bottle. That's going to let you know that this is a real product from Italy, made in Modena, Italy, the way balsamic vinegar is supposed to be made.
Okay, and what would you pair with that?
I love to start a party with a nice white wine, so I'm loving Al Passion Sauvignon Blanc right now. Fun fact about these guys, they recently opened a lodge at their vineyard in Argentina, so you can travel there, stay, tour the vineyard, taste the wine. They'll even plan some outside activities for you.
Ooh, looks good. Okay, now what about more for our dinner party? What would you recommend?
There is nothing better or easier than a show-stopping roast, and you can find my recipe at my website. I love to pair something like that with La Gurla wine. So La Gurla is a really great Tuscan red wine. They make a couple of Sangiovese varieties that are going to pair perfectly with a hearty holiday meal.
That looks good. Okay, now, of course, we need something sweet after a meal like that. What else do you have for us?
I love Om Sweet Home's Brooklyn Butter. Now, of course, we want to have everybody at our holiday table, right? This is the only vegan butter alternative on the market that has no soy, no palm oil, no nuts, and this is a female-owned company, so I always love to support other women. I was able to make this beautiful buttercream with this because this stuff whips, melts, spreads, and blends just like regular butter.
Now, of course, we can always find more of the things that you're testing out and whipping up in the kitchen on Cara's Cucina. Tell me more about the show.
Absolutely. So the Cucina is the first Emmy-nominated cooking show on YouTube. We're always sharing great family recipes. I'm an Italian girl from Jersey, so I love to share my family recipes along with new things that I've tried and developed. So you'll be able to find appetizers for the holidays. This is my prime rib roast recipe. You'll be able to find the spice cake with the buttercream frosting, and all with step-by-step how-to videos.
I love that you make it step by step. Do you feel like when it comes to like preparing food for holiday parties and for family, there are ways to de-stress when you're doing that?
100%. Your biggest bet is going to be to plan early and get ahead of yourself. So you can actually start with dessert first. Typically a dessert can be made days in advance, stored in the refrigerator or freezer, and it'll hold. Same thing with your appetizers. You can often get those done early and just stash them away, or do something that's no cook, no bake, again, like these goat cheese stuffed dates.
I like it.
And then you just want to, just plan the meal backwards.
Plan the meal backwards. It sounds great. All right, Cara, thanks so much for talking with us today.
Farron, thanks for having me.
Thanks. And for all the recipes and products that Cara mentioned, you can visit her website, caradifalco.com. Daytime will be right back.
The preceding portion of Daytime was sponsored on behalf of Denigris Vinegar, All Passion Wine and Lodge, La Gurla Wine, Om Sweet Om Brooklyn Butter by Rock Sox LLC DBA Cara's Cucina.